Hello all, 2010 Volvo XC60, and we will replace air filter in this car. So we'll start with removing Torx T25 screws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 screws in total. Now we will lift the box and we will remove the filter. And as you can see, filter is in a quite good shape yet, so we'll just put it back. But if you need the new one, I will leave a link in the description to the video, so please feel free to check it out. So we'll put it back. We'll make sure that it sits well on all 4 sides, and we'll get those screws T25 tight. It's quite simple job, does not require any special tools or too much work. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check description to the video for the links for the filter. And as always, just do it yourself.